So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone Face ID disable or iPhone Face ID failed after new iOS update. If you're also facing this kind of issue on your iPhone, keep watching full video. There are some method to fix that issue. Make sure you don't have any hardware issue in your iPhone. So let's start video without wasting any time and firstly move to the first solution to fix the Face ID failure or not activate. So open iPhone settings. Okay, in settings you need to scroll down. Okay, tap on Face ID and passcode. You can see appears on screen. Enter phone passcode. Okay, now you can see appears on screen iPhone unlock, iTunes and App Store, wallet and Apple Pay, password autofill and other. Now you need to scroll down and tap on reset Face ID. Okay, just tap on that. Now you can see appears on screen here are showing setup Face ID. Create a setup of your Face ID and it is 100% activate if you don't have any hardware issue. If that method not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is forced to restart your iPhone. Okay, press volume up button, then press volume down button and press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen and your iPhone is forced to restart. Okay, that method is also not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is open iPhone settings again, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Okay, tap on reset and reset all setting, enter phone passcode, and after that reset all setting on your iPhone and easily fix that issue. Okay, if that method is also not working for you and you are still facing the Face ID issue, then move to the last solution. The last solution is open iPhone settings again. In settings you need to tap on general. Okay, after tapping the general you need to tap on software update. Okay, make sure you don't have any pending iOS update in your iPhone. If you have any pending iOS update in your iPhone, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS update and 100% fix the Face ID not working issue. Make sure you don't have any hardware issue in your iPhone. If you have any hardware issue in your iPhone, just connect the nearest Apple store. They will fix your issue. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone Face ID failed or not working after new iOS update. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.